gluten-free foods that may reduce neuropathic pain. Neuropathic pain can cause burning, tingling, or sharp sensations, making daily life challenging. While medical treatment is essential, certain gluten-free foods may help reduce inflammation and support nerve health. Looking for fast, natural relief from nerve discomfort? Discover the solution trusted by thousands. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Including these foods in your diet could ease discomfort and improve overall well-being. 1. Quinoa. This gluten-free grain is high in protein and antioxidants. Quinoa helps fight oxidative stress, supporting nerve repair and reducing inflammation. 2. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with vitamins and magnesium. These nutrients promote healthy nerves and lower inflammatory responses. 3. Fatty fish. Salmon, sardines, and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats protect nerves and may decrease neuropathic pain severity. 4. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia, and flax seeds provide vitamin E and magnesium. These nutrients strengthen nerve membranes and combat free radicals. 5. Berries. Blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are loaded with polyphenols. Their anti-inflammatory properties support nerve function and reduce pain. 6. Turmeric. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has strong anti-inflammatory effects. Adding it to meals may aid nerve repair and decrease discomfort. Incorporating these gluten-free foods that may reduce neuropathic pain into your daily diet can complement medical treatment. Focus on nutrient-rich, anti-inflammatory options to support nerve health, reduce pain, and enhance overall quality of life. Struggling with nerve discomfort that just won't go away? Looking for fast, natural relief from nerve discomfort? Discover the solution trusted by thousands. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.